Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Band Trading Cards. And today we are going to see the BTC FAB Market Trend, the price of the first edition of the Flesh and Blood Monarch. If you can see that the price of Monarch past few days are going down, and I've been into Facebook groups and they're selling it at a very low price. It's about 250, and Rudy is buying it at 800 a case or 200 per box. And you can see that people are fearful. They are selling their products of like Monarch sealed, even unlimited guys, and even the cold foils are going down in price, and it's because of the fear. And these are the people who went into the market. They thought that the Monarch is going skyrocketing and it's unlimited skyrocketing trend. But no, there's time to come down. And the rocket came down. It's bearish in market, and I will show you in a while. I just want to talk about it today because on the channel Fireball they're selling it in bundles, and they're selling it with the Monarch. Even the unlimiteds guys are so cheap that they bundle it with other cases or other boxes of the other editions, and it's so cheap that it goes below MAP. And if you are into the game just for because of you don't want to miss the bandwagon, so you might be afraid of what's going on. Is it dying? I can see that there are a lot of comments on the Channel Fireball sponsored ad that they are laughing. There's a lot of icon guys, LOL icon emoticons. Yeah, they're laughing that the game is dying, and they are blaming others that I told you so. Don't invest in this product, and the fear is still here. Okay, I can say that it's not FOMO anymore. It's follow. Okay, FOLO, fear of losing out, losing out the investment that they had invested. Imagine, guys, you bought it at the price was about 500, $800 few weeks ago, and now it's only you can buy it at 250, and then they are afraid that it will go down more and more and more. It will be so bearish that it can go to the MSRP. Okay, so now let's see if the price is still bearish. Let's see if what's the effect of those fear from the collectors, players, and investors. All right, I'm gonna change the view here so that you can see right here a very clear view of my website, which is BTC FAB Market Trend. And you can see the sealed products of different expansion set. I will be adding more to this with the TOA, which is Tales of Araya or Tales of Arya. Okay, I gotta put it here. Then you can see also some of my videos over here. Then these are all accessible for my patrons. All right. So if you want to be my patron, you can go to patreon.com/bandtradingcards. Then I would like to thank my patrons as well, who supported me all throughout my YouTube um, career. I don't know if it's career, but YouTube journey. Janji, thank you very much. Straw Hat, Cameron, Jomil M, Troy B, Adir, Louis, Jordan, Davo, and to all subscribers and viewers, thank you very much for supporting my channel. Let's get into the Monarch. Okay, so the Monarch is here, and you can see that there's still no print run. It's to be announced for the Flesh and Blood. I'm waiting for that, and that will be a very good time to make a video if it pops up on their website. All right, so let's take a look at this Monarch. This is the whole record of my Monarch lists. I've been doing this for the past since January, guys. It's almost yeah, over 6 months already. So now we're gonna go to the week of here. Let's start here. just around that. Okay, so that's last week is yeah January 15. That's a week ago. So we're gonna check the trend at this week from January 14. Yeah, 14. You can see that the highest price was 317. Then on, let's take a look at the peak. All right, so 350, two, wait a minute, sorry, 350. Then we have a peak of 344. Then it's going down 307, 2, 299, it's 300. Then 325, now it's 295 and 300. So you can see that I got at the average of the whole week, guys, from July 15 to now, which is July 22. Then it was already at 283 average of price. Yeah, so it's you can see the trend is going down, and the prices you can buy 259, 249, and 250. Yep. So it's going down. That's why Rudy is buying it at 200 per box, and or a case of 800. So that's what he said in his channel. Then yeah, that's the reality for now. And I know that you are already panicking, and I know why. Because if you had invested a while ago, maybe let's say you invested at the price when it was, let me see. Let me put it there. So you invested in here. Okay. Imagine that you invested at 375 or 400. Let's say 400, guys. So you just get into the game with these prices over here. Then you can see that it's 295. It's a normal one for you can say that the new ones that's coming that really went into the game with just for the investment of it and just for curiosity, and maybe you are now fearful on maybe it's gonna go down and price gonna go downhill. See that it's so cheap that you will panic, guys, and they are selling it at 250 right now. Okay, even in the Facebook group, they are trading it with other boxes as well. They are trading it with the other MTG, and I've seen the one that was selling it for Pokemon products, because some of like the one of my friends are moving from FAB to Pokemon right now because Pokemon is doing well. Not the same as a week ago or a month ago, but still doing well. And Pokemon have been tested for quite a while. It's a bit over around 25 years because it has now it's been 25 years for Pokemon, and there will be 25-year celebration of Pokemon. So they are trading it with flesh and blood, something like that. And the fearful investors or players, collectors, they are jumping out of this flesh and blood, and yeah, I've seen it in flesh and blood. There's so many negative you know negative comments that was going on, but we can't blame them. They just want to have a positive outcome on what they say, the comment, because they want to feel better. If they have they move out to other TCGs, they want to feel better that they did a good decision. But for me, I believe having this for the past since last year, guys. I started the trending. I started this record January, but I was in Flesh and Blood since last year. So I know the trend, especially on the Crucible of War. It was so bearish that it was only at around 150 for Crucible of War first edition. Yeah, it's first edition because limited is still um, on I think July 30. Yeah, the release. So I know the trend, and I believe that this Monarch thing will go up on December. Okay, so that's what I believe, and probably earlier than that after the TOA. TOA is Tales of Araya, so some T else LGS here in Canada are selling the Tales of Araya, and they are making it in a bundle, first edition and unlimited. So, yeah, I haven't bought it yet because I need to, to check my budget if it can go up to the first edition. I want to buy the only first edition for that because based on my experience, that unlimited is, it's just it's unlimited. Yeah, it can be printed after that, and there will be waves of unlimited going. But for the first edition, I want it to be a first edition, or maybe I want to buy a case. So yeah, I'm still into Flesh and Blood, and I believe with the game. The game is really good. I've been playing it with my friend, and I've been watching YouTube channels, and the game is really good. So if you are a player, this is a good time to um, collect all your the cards that you really wanted. If you like the foils, my friend Trig's Trig's hobby, he wanted to. He has almost all foil blitz deck. Imagine that, guys, because of the cheap price of the rare and commons foils. Yeah, he was doing those collections, and he took a photo of that, and I saw that. It's really nice to see. And then you can also buy the first edition at 250, guys. 250. A few weeks ago, few months ago, it was 800. So, and also, if you wanted to, if you're an investor for a long-term investment, if you believe in the product, well, buy more on the first editions. Then, for if you are a flipper, you can resell those unlimited. Just open it. Well, CNC, Command and Conquer, is so bullish right now for the price. Command and Conquer. What else? Snag. I've seen Snag is going up, and yeah, there are cards that are going up. Yeah, and if you are a short-term investor, flipper, yeah, it's good for the unlimiteds. Just open it, and for the first edition, just hold it, guys. That's what I believe. Yeah, and for the collectors as well, yes, it's time to collect all those sets. Yes, I've seen $34 in on eBay with the Majestics and Rares, 87 pieces. Yeah, I was about to buy those, but it's unlimited. I don't. For me, I believe that I will not buy unlimiteds, guys. That's for me. Okay, that is me only. So I don't know if you have a different perspective. It's probably because I've bought some of my commons, and I've already enjoyed a lot of that, and I have some boxes of unlimited. But in the future, I will be buying more first edition, and for this time, I have sufficient amount of the first edition of Monarch, so it's good for me. Okay, for now, for the Monarch first edition, and I will be if there will be an LGS selling just for the first edition, I will be buying those. Just few, um, just just to fit on my budget, or no, you know. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something from me today. And if you want to be my Patreon, you can see this in 24 hours a day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can access this. I'll give you an access. All you have to do is to go to the Patreon um, page, which is patreon.com/band trading cards, and you can select the tiers there. I will give you cards, guys, from um, different TCGs, and that will be random cards that I will be giving you, and will enjoy it. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Bye.